Hey Dewdrops, welcome back. It's Monday, and this is our inspiration for today. We are doing a series of paintings with these pinks and greens. Why? Well, because they make me happy. I don't know what it is about this color that makes me want to sit out and enjoy the sunshine and the simple, pretty things. So that's where we are. So we are gonna make some pretty paper today. We start the same way we always do, by dropping paint onto the surface of the tray. And I thought we'd maybe do some diagonal lines today. So for anyone who is new to our lovely Facebook group or TikTok or YouTube channel, I'm glad you're here. And what you are seeing is water marbling. We are literally dropping paints onto the surface of a tray of water and painting directly on the water. So we want to apply enough paint so that we get a nice, thick, vibrant pattern. And I believe that's what we've got here. We're letting the paint disperse just a little bit over the surface of the tray. You can see those bullseyes flatten out. Now it's time to bring in one of our many rakes and combs. We use these rakes and combs to gently swirl around our paint to get different looking patterns. One of my favorite things about water marbling is that you could stop at any time. We could dip this and it would look gorgeous, but we're gonna keep going. And let's bring it back and see what we've got. This is a really pretty feather design. Do you see how those diagonal lines really impact our paper? So we're bringing in the fine-tooth comb, and you can see just the little tiny teeth that are gripping the paint and pulling in different patterns. So now we're ready to lay down our white piece of paper and create a one-of-a-kind print. Let's pull this out of the water and see what we've got. Ooh, what do you think, Dewdrops? I like this one a lot. It looks like our pink may be bleeding over, the green may be bleeding over the pink just a little bit, but I still really like it. I hope you do too. Have a great day, Dewdrops. Remember, live colorfully.